Hello, beautiful people. Today, we're going to go over the Monday strategy reboot. I'm going to show you some different examples on how to take entries. It's a little different than what I have taught before, and I want you to back test and see if this strategy works for you. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to go into Trading View, select Indicators, and type in Monday. You're going to select the one that says Monday High and Lows by Stevie B. And then you're going to go into your settings here and highlight Monday in your inputs. Make sure your bar color is selected to whatever color you like. Mine will be lavender. I'm in replay mode, so I can just show you the strategy. Of course, you always want to back test before you just trade with live money. So on the left hand side, you're going to select your parallel channel. That's 2 slots down, and you're going to select parallel channel. You're using this channel to highlight your Monday's boxes. As you can see, they are color coded on your chart. You're going to start from the very low, so use the wicks, and then to the high of this candle. I am on the 2-hour time frame. I found that this makes the charts clearer. I highly recommend you stick with the 2-hour or back test and see if another one works for you. Now, as you can see, the parallel channel automatically identifies 50% of the Monday's candles, which is everything that's in lavender. If you need something fancy to help you identify it, you can always add a little box. Okay, so now at the close of Monday, which is this candle right here, you're going to ask yourself, did the market close above or below 50%? And so in this case, it closed above 50%. You're going to do the opposite of what the market did as far as taking your trade. And you're only going to take the trades inside the box. And you're only going to take the trades at the top or the bottom of the box. So in this example here, the market closed. Which side? So the first question, which side of the market did the market close at the close of Monday? At the top. This is the candle. These are the candles. Okay, so now I go to the bottom of my box, and I'm like, well, now because it closed to the top, I'm going to be looking for a buy. And so when this market got down here, you could have bought, and then you could have bought up to 50% of Mondays or to the top of the box. It's up to you. I prefer to just go ahead and buy up to 50% of Monday as my first take profit. My stop loss will be below the box, outside the box, probably at the nearest structure area swing point. So I would have put my stop loss, so it would have looked something like this. Enter here. And so you're probably wondering, do I market execute? Do I set a limit order? It's up to you and your trading style. For those who want, after you identify the top of the bottom on the 2-hour, if you want to go to the 15-minute and use candlestick confirmation, which is what I highly recommend you do, then go ahead and do that, because that will work as well. As you can see, you have a lovely bullish engulfing that signals that buyers are in control. And that's how you become better at just understanding price action and diminishing your losses. So we're gonna go and do another example. So let me go ahead and reset the chart. This was a winner, of course, and then we're gonna go ahead and move this market forward. Once this box plays out, it's no longer in play. That's it. We're going to only use Monday's boxes one time. Okay, this is not 100% perfect proof strategy. There's no such thing. There's no strategy that is 100%, but you can do things to minimize your losses and increase your win rate. And that's just simply by just adding price action to this strategy if you would like. So here's a example of, see how this wick right here, market manipulation, that could have probably took you out. But okay, so in this one, we're going to ask ourselves, which side of the market did the market close on? Well, this time it closed at the bottom. So what are we waiting for? We're actually waiting for the market to get back to the top to take a sell because it closed at the bottom. Remember, we're doing the opposite of what the market closes. Now, if you had set a limit order, bam, you would have been in this market making stupid money off of this trade. Like, if you were the limit order, you would have made at least 45 pips, 50 pips. If you did not put in the limit order, and say, I don't know if you would have had time to get in this trade. Nope, because that was definitely some quick action. Like I said, that could have been news. You wouldn't have been in this trade. You would be waiting until this market got back to the top, and you would have been waiting for your confirmations to even enter. So right now, you could have entered this trade. Why am I entering? I'm on the 15-minute time frame. The market is at the top. I see pretty much if you were to combine, let me go to the 1 hour so I can show you. You got some Rick rejection right here. If you're using price action and counter formation, you got some divergence going on. So yeah, I would have just entered this trade and you got like a bearish engulfing. You got a rally of sellers in the market. That gives me the warm and fuzzy that the market is ready to sell. And so you can go ahead and bam, take P at the 50% or at 20 pips, whatever your trading style is. So I hope this strategy has helped you out. Please continue to back test. And just see if it makes sense. See what that win rate looks like for you. I'm going to spend all day back testing to make sure I want these rules to be what it is. And right now, so far, it works. You just have to be patient and remember to only take your trades at the top and at the bottom of the box. Okay, so for example, this one right here, we're going to box this bad boy up. It closed at the bottom. I'm gonna wait till it get to the top to take my sell. And I'm a confirmation trader. I don't like limit orders like that. I like to market execute. So once it got back to this box or whatever, set my alert on it, let me know that it's inside. And I'm looking for my candlestick confirmation. You could have simply just used a trend line break. Okay, once it broke this trend line, market execute, take it down to the 50%. You could have also, had your other confirmation with divergence, whatever works for you, or you could have set a sell limit order and just let the market do what it do. Bam, another winner. So I hope I was able to add value. And just to kind of reiterate, if I didn't say before, where would I put my stop loss? Where would I put my TP? Your stop loss would be above the high. So if there's not one for miles away, just use your best judgment. Maybe 10 pips outside the box. Okay. Maybe to the next line, whatever your account size can actually handle. 20 pips, 30 pips. I don't want to give the market more than 30 pips, period. So that's my limit right there. And so your TP will be, it could be 20 pips. You can do a 1-on-1, or you can do it at the 50% of this box, which is what I like, or until, you see some type of structure, you want to continue to use market structure as well. You're not going to be trying to, sell all the way down here if you have an inverted head and, outside this box, if you have an inverted head and shoulder, that doesn't make any type of sense. Okay. I believe I covered everything as far as stop loss, take profit, how to enter, when to enter, what to box up. Remember, 2-hour time frame, you're going to go ahead and use that to box it up. If you're going to set limit orders, just go ahead and set it and let it play. If you want to use confirmations, you can go ahead and set an alert for when the market goes back into the box. I'm in replay mode, so I won't be able to do that. Or you can put like a line here to where, okay, I can set my alert on this line. When the market gets to this line, then I can go ahead and just drop to the 15-minute and then use my confirmations. So it's up to you how you want to play this out. So I hope I was able to communicate clearly to you guys the Monday strategy reboot. We're only taking entries at the top and the bottom of the box now, no more at the 50% line, because we trying to reduce this drawdown, people. Yes, it can work at 50%, but like I said, this is the Monday strategy reboot. We doing top and bottom of the boxes. So love you guys and stay tuned to the next one, and I'll catch you. Happy trading.